You've learned quite a few commands so far in this course, so by now you should be slowly getting used to using them. In today's lesson, you are going to learn how to capture a user's input by using the prompt command. Let's look at a live example of a simple program that might use this command. We can start this command off by typing the following. We are then going to be adding a string to our prompt command as follows. Let's now run the program and see what happens when you run it in our web browser. An alert box will pop up and allow our visitor to type in their age, but where did that number go? Well, we can assign a variable to our prompt command and then output that variable to our page or use it in another command. Let's go through this step by step. First off, I'm going to give a variable to our prompt command and give it the name visitor age so I know what it will be referring to. Next up, I'm going to write a document.write command, and I'm going to insert our visitor name variable in our command. So basically what's going on here is we're taking whatever the user inputs into the variable visitor age and outputting it to the document. Let's save this file and see if our program is going to work correctly as we intended it to. There we go. We can see that our visitor's age is being outputted to the page successfully. Pretty cool, huh? In the next lesson, you will learn how to combine strings together